The one next to me is the GD-430 drill grinder to grind a range of 3 to 30 millimeters. This 430 is equipped with 28 hole clips. The clamping range is 3 to 30 millimeters. Comes with a set of diagonal wrenches, one power cord, a set of 3 to 14 fixtures, a set of fixtures for 15 to 30. This is our cutting edge grinding port. This is our back corner grinding port. This is where we sit. Contrast do. In the early stage, the grinding port should be recognized. Thick glue grinding head. Now let's start clamping this big clip. Garlic head, this is 18. We found this fixture of 18. Then start clamping. Take this apart. Put this whole clip in. Stuck in, won't put this. Clip the suit in. Install it first. Don't lock it yet. Just loosen it a little bit. And you put this drill in from behind. After putting it in, then start to set the knife. Because it also has two edges. Start the knife. If we are 18, just turn this up to 18 first. Just face this arrow. The blade rotates and gets stuck on the right and right sides. After getting stuck, just get stuck lightly, then tighten the back. Just tighten it, then pull it out. After we got the knife right, first of all, make sure this grinding port, it is clean, no rust. If there is rust, it will affect when we install and grind. If you don't put it in, it will get stuck. Just wipe this with this reinforced cloth. This one should also be wiped clean. Now we grind the corners, turn the machine on. Rotate her. Finish this blade. Turn around. Make up another blade. After grinding the end corners, now we grind front cutting blade and back corner. It is also 2 slots. Just rotate it. I play with blades, you climb over. Now let's see how to achieve this effect.